Welcome to the show, welcome to the Ahab Show. We are in room 2489. This is our little room tour. There was an elf party in my room. First of all, we have a really nice spacious closet. Oh, it's got two sides, the whole closet. Oh, stand up and everything. Kind of cool, got hangers there. And then we have a second closet, which is very unusual. Should have took my backpack off. A safe and drawers and all that fun stuff. And we have a nice, like full size, almost a queen size bed. And we can look out the window. It's not a balcony like we normally get. Plugs, and we got our wine, and we got our bottled water. And what, we get an extra bottled water? That's kind of weird, isn't it? Oh no, it's 16. That's why they sell them. And here's interesting. Look at this. First bathroom. Got a little tub. I'm calling the tub mine. Get the tub. And then there's a second bathroom. It's got a stand-up shower. Where's the light? Is there a light? Oh, there we go. All the regular amenities. We just want to take a shower. Kind of cool. I like it. It's a little dated, but it's clean, very clean. The buffet was good. I enjoyed the buffet. I didn't like the fact that the one washi-washi we went to did not work. Did you like the washi-washi? The second one, yeah. So, that's our quick little room tour. I like the decor. The lamps look like buoys. I'm sure everybody's seen those before. Oh, wrong way. There we go. Got pillows. Bed feels comfy. Yeah, like, oh, their buoys are, I don't know what they are. Yeah, like they're bumpers. Oh, it's the same as this. The bumpers for the side of the boat. Oh, that's fun. There she is. There's my princess.
Now, one of the benefits of having the family harbor cabins is that you have this access to this family room, which every morning they have breakfast, eggs, bacon, French toast, cereal, pastries, and a better coffee machine. Oh, look, there's the ice cream machine, washi machine, cereal stand, comfortable area to hang out. It's a great place if you brought kids that would just, run rampant at the regular buffet. You have your own private buffet. We didn't pay to get this room. It was one of the rooms that Carnival selected for us. And we were very excited because every morning, we did not eat breakfast in the regular buffet. We ate breakfast here every morning. It had all the regular stuff. And that coffee maker is better than the one that's actually at the buffet. It actually does espresso and cappuccino, and I was very excited. As well as breakfast, they do snacks and lunches, and in the evening, they have cookies and milk. It's a great place. I'd highly recommend this.